Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, scroll down and click on sound recorder. Then click on the red button, tap allow and then your recording will start. If you wanna pause it, click on the same button. Now to save and end your recording, click on the square button, choose save and click on the same one to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, tap on the bin icon and choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!